everyone, I'm Emma, the head of the Operations Department of Hosting Global Singapore, headquarters. I am very happy to have the opportunity to meet members all over the world through this video. I would like to share something with you all. The head office of Hosting Global is located on the 15th floor of the Marina Bay Financial Center building in Singapore. There are 4 buildings in the Marina Bay building. The Hosting Global is located on the 15th floor of the 3rd building. The entire 3 buildings are assets of the Standard Chartered Bank. Standard Chartered Bank is the first cooperative bank institution of Hosting Global. Singapore Hosting Global Private Limited was established in 2016 with registered capital of $265 million. At present, the average monthly user growth rate of Hosting Global has reached 41%. Last year, the platform turnover reached $82 million. It will obtain the US MSB financial license in 2021. Hosting Global makes use of the internet and banking institutions in other regions to achieve safe and legal repayment. The Hosting Global platform solution: first, credit card holders with bad credit overdue; second, bad debts on the bank side. Hosting Global members growing by more than 54% monthly, and $42 million in 2020 via Hosting Global certificate of legal establishment of the company. The profitable business registration certificate required to open a company in Singapore. Singapore Business License Map, US Financial License Map. In lower right corner, you can see the abbreviation of the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Hosting Global is monitored by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Was officially implemented in 2020, January 28. It strictly stipulates that all trading platforms and operators must submit relevant documents and license applicants for filing. These platforms and operators are regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Hosting Global is also regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. The certificate also involves financial advisor law, insurance law, securities law, futures law, and trust company law. I believe that everyone has used credit card, and credit card user exists more than 50%. Out of every 2 people use credit card for consumption. You can ask, are there any relatives and friends in the surrounding who use credit cards for consumption but pay the minimum amount or don't pay? What will be happening to the bank? High amount of bad debts in the bank. Some members will ask, what is the relationship between bank, bad debts and us? This will lead to a drop in the interest of if debtors deposit money into the bank, resulting in the numbers of bad debts in the bank being inversely proportional to the interest of debtors. The era of negative interest has come. After the 2008 financial crisis, the global economy slowed down and the risk of deflation increased. Central banks in Sweden, Denmark, the Euro area, Switzerland, Japan and Hungary all lowered their main policy interest rates to negative values. Therefore, Hosting Global is now fully open to the Japanese market. All members can register via email, invitation code. After members enter the Hosting Global, they can make deposit through USDT, ERC20, BTC, ETH, USDT, TRC20. Enter the room of the corresponding level according to the balance. Click search and wait patiently for the system to assign the credit card. After assigning the card information, click on the agent to pay. Enter 6-digit transaction password to confirm. The funds will be credited to the bank and the repayment is successful. And the merchant will conduct online consumption through the bank payment interface. Hosting Global will return the principal and commission to your account. Details picture steps. After completing the valid tasks 3 times a day, you can withdraw cash at any time, enter my wallet and bind the virtual currency wallet address. The withdrawal rule of Hosting Global is T+1, arrive the next day. Features of Hosting Global products in Singapore. Online repayment. The online API calls the debtor information of banks and financial institutions to seamlessly connect, and users can realize the repayment business through the online repayment operation website Seamless Connection. It has reached a strategic cooperation with financial institutions affiliated to banks in many countries and regions, and invoked API interfaces to realize online and offline operations and seamless connection. What changes? It changes the old legacy, POS return and rush mode. You can be rewarded for helping others through global trust. Real-time data. Credit card debt information comes from partners of financial institutions affiliated to various banks, and different credit cards need to be returned every day. Bad debt problem? Through the online repayment, win-win cooperation and resource integration model. The bank's bad debt problem has been perfectly solved, and the debtor's overdue credit investigation problem has also been solved. Legal compliance? All repayment procedures are set up in accordance with credit card usage standards. Financial institutions and credit card debtors reach on consensus on repayment. Cooperation, which is legal and compliant. What other payment methods? Currently, Singapore Hosting Global supports the value in the digital currency account. BTC, USDT, USDC, ETH. In USD, as the Hosting Global account exchange rate, and the real-time exchange rate will be automatically converted according to the international exchange rate. Fund security, your funds are absolutely safe. Singapore Global Custody is working with banks and financial institutions to seamlessly connect online and offline to achieve legal and compliant repayments through banking APIs. In just few simple steps, you can easily and proficiently represent your business, work easily from home with a mobile phone, use agency as a career, and achieve financial freedom. Hosting Global website has officially launched. We're looking forward to your support and trust. Do follow our official social pages for the latest announcement and more information. See you next time. Thank you.